Chief, I am still surprised though. To have seen him in my father's house today. I'm still surprised. Yes, sir.
These things happen. It happens.
Yeah, there was even a time I applied. I applied as a driver in your company, but I was not considered.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You did?
Yes, sir.
Are you a driver?
Me? I drive tipper. I drive excavator. I drive anything drivable. Me. Don't go there. Yes,
I see. We'll see.
Sir?
But a few things will have to change. Now you know me. You stop driving. We'll get you something better to do.
Yeah?
What I'm saying is that instead of toiling and stressing yourself out with driving, how about you think of something that you find joy in doing and let me know and I'll take care of it.
Me?
Yes, you.
Ha! Chief is chief! Boom! Banyu! Clear way for that man, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You're fine.
Thank you very much, sir. Hey! Kambuzi. Hey!
It's fine.
Hey! I will start working with you.
Mama, this one is okay. This one is okay.
No, it's not. Fill up the plate.
Mama, can he finish it?
Mom, fill up the plate.
I'm gonna go something. Taste the soup. It's okay.
So young.
We are eating.
Hello?
Babe, how are you? Are you back?
Yes, Chacha, I'm back.
Okay, have you gotten the letter I dropped for you? I gave it to Osi.
Note? No, he hasn't given me any note. Actually, I'm just coming back now. So.
It's an information about...
Mama!
Hello? Hello?
My friend, what is wrong with you? What is it? You have an important guest inside the parlor. And you're here making call to Chacha. Eh? My friend, take this thing in. Fill up the plate and take it in. Imokwife, move before I break this phone.
Let me have my phone.
May I finish what you're doing?
Mama, give me my phone.
Do you want me to break this phone or are you going to finish up what I asked you to do?
It's okay now. He can't.
It's not okay. Fill up the plate.
Give him garden egg. You want him to finish all our
Let him finish the garden eggs.
Which one are we going to eat?
You don't have to eat anything. Fill it up! I'll talk to her phone now.
It's okay. Let's go.
My love, I hope you're okay. You sounded differently. Please, get back to me. I love you.
Sir, we've been hearing about the things you do for the less privileged people.
Is that so?
Even one of my friends got your scholarship.
Okay, what's his name?
Matthew Odikasa.
I don't think I remember that one. So many of them.
He's very lucky.
I'm sure. Also, you see, when you're blessed, your blessings are not just for you alone. You also have to be a blessing to other people. You must give back to your society in appreciation for what Chukwuka Kabiama has done for you.
God will continue to bless you, sir. Mama.
I see that you have a sister that's entertaining me.
Oh, just come and
Osita.
Chief.
If we're going to Ojeze, there's an so.
Onye nwetara ọjị nwetara ndụ. Si na ọ ga-adịkwala anyị chere na mbụ.
Hello, Chacha. Honey, I'm so sorry. My mom has been on my neck. She's just pressing my neck. I'm so sorry about earlier.
Hey, what's going on? I was trying to reach you all day, but you did.
This man, I met a man came to our house.
Which man?
Chief Odunze, my former boss.
What? What did he come to do?
He came to ask my mother that he wants to marry me, and he brought all kinds of gifts. And
this is serious. And what did you tell him?
I didn't tell him anything. He didn't even tell me anything. He specifically was just talking to my mother. You know, my mother, she was just carried away by everything. I just had to sneak out of the parlor now to come and talk to you because I don't understand.
What manner of man is this? Eh? How could he just barge into you without letting you know that he's coming to your house?
I don't understand. Please, I need to go. Before Mama start fronting now and start looking for me. I need to go now. Alright. No.
Nonsense.
Mama, thank you very much. You are indeed warm to me, and I promise that I'll visit again.
Oh, no. We'll be looking forward to your visit.
So much to take care of. Let me go.
Oh, no.
Darling.
Thank you. Drive with care.
I found an angel, my type of woman. Please come to Daddy. I'm waiting for you for a long time. I am searching for you. Now I found you. Nobody can take you away from me. I must make mine.
What is it? Why do you hate him so much?
I don't hate him.
No, goodness.
I mean, he's a nice guy. But Charles has been there for me from Genesis. And we love each other. And our love is divine, is blessed. Our love is beautiful. Our love is magnificent.
So why can't you transfer the same love to that man? Love him just a little.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead, ask me.
Can you drive 2 cars at the same time?
Of course you can own 2 cars at the same time. There's nothing wrong with that.
No, like can you drive 2? Can you put your hand? Can you drive 2
cars?
Yes.
No, now. You always drive the good one and leave the bad one in case it stops you on the road. Why do you ask?
I'll keep on driving my Chacha's love.
What about Chacha?
I'll speak to Chacha.
Okay, name me film. Which Chacha are you talking about?
Mama. Don't allow God to judge you.
Oh, thank God, Ipogo God.
Don't allow God to judge
God
you.
is awesome. God is trying to deliver us from poverty. Do you know that since your father died, do you know the agony we went through? Do you remember? And now God has brought someone to save us from all that nonsense. And you're here talking about love. That man is the best for all of us.
This cannot be God's will. Chacha has done so much for me. He has done so much for me. You tell me
I'll go and register your big arm with Or says I dance how much. If you want to what are you talking about? God has sent us a good man in Agwegu Chacha. Please, I told me Nakoko Chacha. We are facing this man. You know what this man has done for us in just one day. Chacha has not achieved in the how many years we've known him. Then I can't call Chacha. Then I found Naza. Woman's name, Chacha. Or if I can't up where?
Mama, you are forgetting. Can you remember when you almost died here and your beloved son was whiling away in the streets? Your other second beloved son took care of you. He took you to the hospital and made sure you were okay. Even when your crayfish business was scattering. No income, no capital, everything was just collapsing. Who took care of everything? Who sheltered you? Who made sure you were okay? Who made sure your cheeks were flappy? Who made sure you are healthy?
My friend, leave that thing. Also not my second son. First of all, he's not my son. And so what is wrong with helping a sick woman? I would help any sick person I see, whether man or woman. Okay, fine. He contributed small money towards my crayfish thing. How many noodles did he buy? Was he not eating in this house? Was he not eating part of the crayfish? In a crayfish can be done business.
Bought 5 trays of crayfish.
5 small trays of crayfish. Did he not eat from the crayfish?
Did he not provide money for the crayfish?
Did he not eat from the crayfish?
He provided money for the crayfish.
He didn't have anybody to cook for him. Brought the crayfish. So don't tell me about this. Face this man. He has the money to take care of us. Nenu can do more. What are you talking about? Listen, let me just tell you. Don't do this thing we did when we were young. Love us, love us, or that walk one. Face the reality of life. Love Abia.
See, you have to wait small. Wait.
No, Oga, no fit wait now. Pay me the one while I work first.
You
now.
wait now, so you go carry me go other places.
No, I need to work like that. Just give me the one while I don't work first.
Are you okay? Are you mad?
Which one be say you dey change am for me for money where I work again? I beg.
What, you dey change am for me?
Bros, I go change am for you now. Na my money now.
Do you know the connections I have?
Oga, boom, just no. Like this one go vex me. Burn your connections. Pay me my money.
Oga, the connections why I get to go fit buy this bad room 100 times. What are you telling me?
You know if you buy this taxi.
Come on, go sit down.
I dare you. Come on. Go pay me. Just pay me.
I pay you.
Pay me.
Make I pay you.
Pay me the one where I work now.
Oh, well, I'll give you your money now. Everywhere good.
Everywhere no go good before.
I'll give you your money now. Yeah. Take this nonsense and get out of here.
Now, give me my money.
Mogo.
You don't pay me last now. Come on. Nonsense never wait, carry me go. Mad man.
Final year exam, cha-cha. Departmental dues, cha-cha. Computer lesson program, cha-cha. Crayfish business, cha-cha. Keke business, cha-cha. The food that we eat, cha-cha. Our NEPA, cha-cha. Foodstuffs, cha-cha. Your clothes, cha-cha. Everything.
No, cha-cha. Oh, cha-cha kaya nuna. It's enough.
Wait, good. Are we still on this matter?
No.
Bia, what is wrong with you? Inapwala, what is wrong with you?
Brother O.
Sister Aru? God is trying to wipe the tears of this family and you are still adding more tears to it. What has that child done that can never be paid back?
Oh, what?
Huh? One check from Don will settle all this nonsense and you're here crying, shedding tears. What is wrong with you? If we lose Don as an in-law in this family, I will never forgive you. I swear, I will never forgive you.
Will you marry Don? No, look at yourself. Look at your face. Look at your body. Are you the one that's going to marry Dawn? Are you the one that's going to marry Dawn, brother? Oh?
No, it's you. It's you.
Wait, before you start with this your love episode. Are you going to compare that idiot? That nuisance, that bloody never to do well of his son to Dawn? Eh? A man who has promised to buy me a new car. A man who has also promised to build us a house. Take your time. No, just take
brother, you know I did not insult you. You know I respected you. I did not shout at you. You come here and you insult my chacha anyhow. You call him names because of what? Because of what?
Just shut up. Shut up.
No, I did not insult.
Shut up, let me talk.
Don't tell me your mom. Don't tell me your mama. Come on, Machigana. Don't tell me your mom. Don't tell me your mom. You are trying. Go up, you will marry Dawn. You will marry Dawn.
You're crying.
Okay, you see that, brother? Will you marry Dawn? God will judge you.
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 In a Belma, come on. Come on, will you guys sit down there?
I insult you. I insult you.
Mugu, you are crying. Obankwa, will you just go and sit down there? Sister Aaron.
Mama, even you.
Hey, look, Pama, come up for me. Yes, on my left, her mom be right. Also giving you.
This is a conspiracy.
Conspiracy. Let me see your two legs. This your two legs around that house again. Kifenge mege.
Okay, you hide here on boss. What did you do?
I found an angel, my type of woman. Please come to daddy, I'm waiting for you.
Please say I don't know you. Yeah. Anywhere you go, I'll hunt you.
Get out of the room. Who are you? I said, who are you? Can I tell you people out? Take this out of here!
I want to see your boss.
Want to see my boss? Then who are you? Who the hell are you?
What do you think you're doing, Jerry? You could have gotten yourself killed. What is the meaning of this?
Dawn, you know the rules. I want us to talk.
Talk? Talk about what?
About us and business.
You want to talk business, Jerry? Where did you spring from?
Did I ask you where you have been for the past 5 years before you springed up to become the chairman, Stallion Group of Company?
Get to the point.
Don Dada. Here. We need to see. Not later than today. Feast your venue. Let's see. Thank you.
Watch your back, watch your back. Watch your back, watch your back. Anywhere you go. Watch your back, watch your back. Watch your back, watch your back. Anywhere you go. People you can't say they like you.
Donna never wanted to bother you. I wanted to let the sleeping dog lie. But as you can see, I am broke. I need money.
How is that my business?
It's your business because you owe me. You made away with the old money we got from the last business just to resurface back as a successful philanthropist and a businessman.
I don't owe you. We did business. I give you 10 million naira. Your share.
Wait a minute, you gave me 10 million naira from how much?
We made a paltry 100 million. I give you 10 million. Your share.
Don, you were a thief. The old money was 450 million. And you dropped just 10 million naira for me out of that amount. Wait, come to think of it. What happens to Nick's and Ago's share?
None of your business. The business was all my idea. I was the brain behind that business. I worked out the logistics, the entire planning was all me. So I get to decide who gets what. I gave you your share. Are you dare to show up here and ask me for money?
I need 30 million.
And what happens if you don't get it?
If I don't get it, you won't like it.
Are you threatening me? Jerry, I am not the Don that you used to know. I can be very deadly if push comes to shove. Don't dare me. I could kill you here, and even your cops will be arrested. Let this be the last time I see you. Unless, of course, you want to find yourself dead.
Listen to me. If I don't get that money by the end of tomorrow, you see these fake philanthropists you portray everywhere. All will go down the drain. You know me. I don't make empty threats.
Jerry. You don't make empty threats. This time, I'd like to see you try. Dear Mr. Accountant, listen to me. The 50 million naira is for my logistics. Listen, accountant, do not interrupt me. I'm talking. It is for my logistics. You work for me as my accountant. You don't work for me just so you tell me how to spend my money. Huh? Bear it in mind that if you mess this up, you're gone. Why is this happening now? Where did this lousy old criminal spring from? I was certain that I had done everything. Everything that I need to do to erase my past. Huh? The laws of power. Every law of power that you fail to keep comes back to haunt you forever. Is Jerry my nemesis? No. I won't let him. Jerry is too dangerous to keep on.
My brother has been tormenting me because of the gift he's been receiving from him and my mother. She has not been helping matters. I feel alone. I feel like I'm fighting this battle by myself.
Hey, come on. You are not alone. You're with me. Okay? Nothing's going to happen to you as long as your heart is strong. He can come with too many excitements, but our heart cannot be broken with gifts. Okay? We've come a long way to dislodge at this time.
Okay. I'm in my house. I'm talking. But nobody's listening to me. They feel like they know what's best for me. I've made up my mind. I want us to run away. I want us to go somewhere new, where nobody knows our name, our face. We'll start afresh. It will be good.
No.
It will be good.
No.
Listen to me.
Babe,
it will be
no,
good.
Stop. I am not going to run away from my fellow man. It's not possible. I will not do that. Okay? No one is permanently rich. No one is permanently poor. See, let me tell you something. The job I am waiting for will soon mature. Okay? Then they will see a new me. I will come out shining. Okay? Don't worry, God is turning everything around for us.
Amen.
Come on, my angel. Come on, wipe your tears. Okay? Smile for me. Good.
You asked me for 30 million. This is 50 million.
Wow. Thank you very much. You just showed me that you're still the Don that I used to know.
Jerry. That is 50 million. That money is enough to sustain your miserable lifestyle and keep you going until your time is up. You stole to feed fat. I did the same thing to build a legacy. Huh? Choices. Each man to his own choice. But things have changed, Jerry. are no longer the same. I'm not the Don that you used to know. I have connections in this country to the highest authority. I am a businessman with a legitimate track record. I will not have you standing in my way. I put in so much work to get here. And you? What have you amounted to? A low-life criminal and a cheap blackmailer. Don't make me warn you again. Don't come back here again. This would be the last one.
Like I said, Don, thank you once again for this. I promise never to show my face again. Thank you.
Make way, TikTok to the top, I never stop. I get away, I make a way, dealer back up with my feel. I'm moving up to the top, TikTok no stop, I get away, make way, dealer back up with my feel. Make money, I make this, I sing, I clap, I eat, make merry, everything I do, all my time, all my, and I say what? Big, lots
You called me.
Yes, I did. Rita. I'm fine. Do you know why I'm not married?
I don't know.
You want me to tell you? Or do you think I don't enjoy being married to a wife, you know, raise kids and everything?
Yeah, but I mean, you're matured enough, so possibly yes.
Okay, I'll tell you. Why I'm not married is because I don't have the money, honestly. Marriage is all about money. I need money to fix my wife, to maintain my family, my children and everything. So you allow people who have the money to do the marrying thing. It's not my thing.
So, what is the message in all of this gospel?
My sister, you see, we are not known for waywardness or promiscuity.
Am I wayward?
No, that is not what I mean. I mean that Charles is not ready to marry you, and he should stop wasting his time. Follow who no road. That gulade Don is ready to marry you. I don't know why you're allowing these guys to brainwash you, and you know, just time to go.
Are you done?
Am I done? How? The life of a man and a woman are not the same thing. A man can marry at 50, 60 when he has the money. But that of a woman is no. At 50, you're already in your menopause, finish, and many of them. So just, you know, the earlier the better. Just make the right choice now.
You are done. You're done. Thank you. Thank you so much for this beautiful, insightful lecture. I don't know what I did.
You are my only sister. I'll give you the best advice.
I just want you to know that Charles and I will be fine.
It's a lie. It will never happen.
I want to go now.
You will not go. Sit down here.
I want to.
You must listen to me. Sit down here.
Which one is them?
You must sit down here.
Hello, Chacha. I'm not fine. They're just walking against me, left and right, up and down, just tired. The whole thing is just stressing me out and I'm sad. I'm not happy. I don't even know what to do. I'm starting to feel depressed. Honestly, don't lie. I'm losing my mind. Okay, 4 p.m. is fine. 4 is fine. I love you more. I love you more than you love me.
See, I'm not on the same level with you again. I've changed. I'm not going now. Yes, now.
You go give me that money. That money where home since, okay? You don't know where that money. That 1.5 where home since.
Which money?
That money now. What I take carry for kicking now. Where home since. So that 1.5.
Because of ordinary 1.5, you are insulting me.
Thank you. Okay now.
I'm bigger than that too. I'll give you your money, no problem.
Okay, sir.
This is 2,000 naira. Take it and do what you want to do.
2,000 naira. Now you give me. If I calculate how many months where you hold me that money now. Now 2,000 you can't give me.
I even give you 2K if you complain. Okay, well, they got you.
That money. I know if you happy. I know I won't collect the money. Thank you. I greet you.
Osita, why are you saying all this to me? I thought we were together.
Oga, we are not together. We are not together.
Why the sudden change towards me? Why?
See, everything has gone wrong. And it's because you want to destroy my sister's life. That is what I am preventing.
Sister, Mama.
Agwangionya. Look, henceforth, I don't want to see you around this house. I don't want to see you around my sister again. You can go. Go now.
Why? Why are you behaving like this to me?
I feel alone in this world. Which way to go? Nobody wants to listen to me, but the voice of my heart. Which way to go? Which way to go?
Let me see you in this house again. If you're more like here,
should I go for love or for the money? Should I please myself?
You can't watch all those. One little rat. A girl is blackmailing me. You can't. What is this blackmail about? Is one useless random girl that I met sometime last year. She stole my gold wedding ring. And you know my wife's attachment to this wedding ring. She actually contracted a goldsmith that handcrafted them. Right now, the girl had already extorted 2 million naira from me, and now she's demanding for 5 million naira. Or else,
she posed a ring to my wife.
Again. This one is tricky.
Very, very tricky and dangerous too.
I'll help you.
You will?
Thinkng, you're my friend. We have been very good friends for years now. You have come to me for help. I will help you. I am not going to sit back and watch nobody from somewhere come to mess you up. I'll put a permanent end to this situation.
Don't. How do you intend to achieve this?
Thinkng, are you interested in the how, or you want this to be brought to a permanent end?
I want it to be brought to a permanent end.
Okay, thank you very much. Instead, bring a fraction of that money. As a matter of fact, let's have 2 million naira here first thing tomorrow morning, and I will call my team who will be interested in doing a very good job. We'll make it very simple, we'll make it very clean, and put a permanent end to this blackmail.
The dog himself!
Thinkng.
Like I said, I must trust you anytime and any day. Putu. Odogwa broga ine. Okay.
Abura na basiambo. Omwazia. Asi ofebe kokapota. Ichi madiru na. Oteronoma. Relax and allow me to handle this. On this notepad, I'd like for you to pen down everything that I need to know about this girl. And I'll take it from there.
The Don himself, the stallion himself. I will do exactly that.
Where's my phone?
Your phone?
Yes.
Nah, which kind of question be that one now? Am I your phone skipper? Eh?
I kept my phone on the bed not too long ago, and you're the only one with me in this house. Please.
The only one? Well, how?
I'm just asking you a question. I did not
Please,
shout.
I'm not with your phone.
I'm not shouting. I didn't shout at you. Please, where's my phone?
If you are looking for a phone, go to that your Richard that chat and collect your phone from him.
Please don't call him Richard.
Eh?
Here's my phone.
I'm not with your phone now.
You're the only one in this house now. There's no one with me in this house. Where's my phone now?
Okay, I'm not with your phone.
Why are you doing like this now? I know you took my phone. Me, I know you took my phone. I know you took it.
Okay, I'm not with your phone.
Stop calling me Oga. Do I look like
I'm not with your phone.
You're with my phone.
I get a phone. I move here. Okay, good fire extinguisher up here. When I fear, I move here. Why you are so mungu?
Where's my phone? Brother, where's my... Oh, wait.
Mommy,
you know, I don't like you calling me mommy. You got to go Europe one name. But go on. Yes?
okay, Mommy, see, I love Rita. And I can't live without her. I love her so much with all my heart. And I believe that someday things will turn around for me.
Amen.
Yeah, and I know that she will not lack because I'm going to take care of her very well.
Amen. Manana, you shouldn't be telling me all this. You should be talking to Rita. You shouldn't be telling me all these things you're saying.
Yes, she has decided that I'm the one she wants.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Omaka. Great.
You know how long we've come.
Nah. You see, for your information, Chief Oduns, Don Oduns, I'm sure you've heard about him. He came officially to me, to the family, to inform us that he wants to marry my daughter. He's asking for her hand in marriage. Onya campus is Simba, and he's very serious about it. You see, if I get my daughter Umbo Ololo, Ololo, overall love. No, listen, because I chose him all this if in whatever. You can find somebody else and make your intentions known. No,
you know, I've been coming to the house for years now, and I.
Namo coming to the house. Kanjuage. Did you ever make your intentions known? You couldn't try to Rita. Forget. I'm on my way to the cathedral for confession. I'm at the cathedral for confession, and I thank God. No one if you could ever add in job. I
thought when I was coming, I'd actually make her feel
Rabu by Fambolanya in them, and Nadam and Nambolanya. And I'm getting Nambolanya. Forgot on your man one. Hey, O'Neill and yes. I'm going to talk about what's your idea.
Mommy. Hey.
Okay, what is it?
I've already explained to you.
Explain what?
So, I was in my room, and then I went to the kitchen. I went to the kitchen to get something, and then when I came back to the room, the phone I kept on the bed, it disappeared. It has disappeared.
So have you asked your brother?
I put it to him that he's the one that took that phone. He took the phone to frustrate me.
No, Mama, you put it to him. If you had put it to him now, you collect a new phone from him.
Mama, please let me talk to brother. I want to give you back my phone. I needed to check for updates, job vacancy, and know what's happening.
Cello. I can't call job vacancy. No, ma. Eh? People.
Mama, please help me to talk to brother. I want to collect my phone.
I will talk to him.
Please, help me talk to him now to give you my phone.
I should go and look for him to talk to him. My friend, go into the kitchen and prepare tomatoes for me. Can test you.
I'm looking for my phone.
Oh, so we should not eat because you're looking for your phone. My friend, prepare a tomato. Or see, I'm looking for my phone. And why are you looking at me in that manner? You forgot that eye that I keep complaining about.
Did I use my eyes to look at you?
No. You use the back of your head to look at me. My friend, go and make tomato. See, was I looking at you?
I'm looking for my phone. Yeah, yes,
Don't worry, when I find that phone, I'll use it to crack palm kernel. Phone, they gone. Nonsense. Grind that thing well, no, but one can't pull on a day.
Smart. I called you here because as my special assistant, there are a few things that you should know. Especially about life. As you carry on in business, you're going to meet all kinds of people. The good, the bad, the ugly, loyalists, and of course, the lowlives. I met this man, Jerry, when I was starting out in business. He needed me. And I needed him too. I had wanted some machines, very cheap machines, because at the time I didn't have a lot of money. He came through for me, providing me the machines in top condition when I needed them. But we later found out that the machines were stolen goods. Of course, the authorities searched for him, tracked him down, and got him arrested. During his incarceration, not for one moment did he mention my name. He got out of jail, as a form of appreciation. I decided to give him a huge amount of money, to show appreciation. And we put all of that behind us. And life continued. And he disappeared into thin air. And I grew in business. As I speak with you, that low life has decided to show up from nowhere to blackmail me.
Does he still have any evidence?
Like I said, he's a low life. He has all the documents. He has all the documents. He has nothing to lose. I have everything to lose. For over the years, I have built a name. I have built reputation. I have built character. I have built the trust of the people. I am not going to stand back and watch him drag my name in the mud.
Then we have to take him out and end it once and for all.
Smart. At a time like this, I need you to be smart. Not yet. We'd have to keep an eye on him. I need to know where he lives, who he visits, everything that he does.
Alright, boss.
Before you get home, you have everything that you need.
Okay, boss.
Good night. Jerry, you have decided to become a thorn in my flesh. I will ensure that you do not see me coming.
Watch your back, watch your back. Watch your back, watch your back. Anywhere you go, watch your back, watch your back. Watch your back.
Smart. Havana. Welcome. Welcome, sir. Hi.
My boss sent me to come and see you. He's coming by weekend to take Rita to his house and propose to her formally.
Everywhere good.
If everything goes well, we'll start preparing for formal introduction. If everything goes well, we'll start preparing for formal introduction. And the other ceremony will follow.
Everywhere is no problem, everywhere good.
Meanwhile, My boss said you should choose any brand of car you want.
How? You are whining me. You dey whine me, oh. Just tell me you are whining me. Me a brand of car. Oh, you are whining me. You are whining me.
I mean it. I mean what I just said to you. Choose any brand of car you want.
I should choose any brand of car I want.
Yes.
Osita has no choice. Anything drivable, I can drive it. Yes, now I have no choice. Even if it's this one, I will take it. Yes.
Osita.
And now
it is done.
It is done.
Whatever my boss says, he does.
Yeah, done is done. So I'll have a new car very soon. Everywhere good. Hey, wait.
This for you.
Okay, is this the envelope, the invitation? Eh? Money for me? Ha! Money for me? Wait, is it for me?
It's for you.
Ha! Eh? Let me hide it before my mother will come out and collect it from me.
This is just the beginning.
Tell him thank you.
Osita.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you. My boss will not like to be competing with anyone over your sister.
Ha!
Check it out. It's an insult to his personality. Please try and fix it, okay?
No, there's just tell him there's no cause for alarm. Everywhere is good. Ha! Now what for you? I get you. Now what for you? Sorry.
I trust you.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Hey! Me a car owner. Hey! Tell him I will accept this one. This very one, I will accept it. Hey! Oh, sister. God is done. Hey!
I found an angel, my type of woman.
Rita, I want you so much. See this mansion? Everything, all of this can be yours if you agree to marry me. My business enterprise, everything, I'm willing to give to you. If you just agree to be my wife, I am going to throw you the biggest wedding that this town has ever witnessed. I have what it takes to make that happen. For I want you, Rita. Is everything okay? You seem a bit uncomfortable. Am I forcing you to marry me? Because I do not want you to say yes to my proposal out of intimidation. No, I'd like for you to accept to marry me from your heart.